2014 Subaru Forester. Pearl white paint, aluminum alloy wheels, good tires, tinted windows, rear bumper protector. Lots of cargo space, all-wheel drive, light gray interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments, heated front row seats, CD player with HD radio, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, just over 108,000 miles. And it's even got a very large sunroof. Come on, see us. E-Cars.